to my channel. So today I'll be installing this wig from Asteria hair. This is the first time that I've ever worked with Asteria hair, and first impressions, you guys, when I took it out the box, I noticed how insanely soft it is. For this to be a textured wig, let me tell you, it is like a cotton ball. It is just so soft and fluffy. I didn't want to weigh it down with too many products, so I only used some curly mousse to style it, and it still came out just like insanely soft. I'm absolutely in love with it. Let me just stand up so you guys can see where it falls on me. So this is where my waist is. So it comes about waist length. I'll have all the specs here on the screen for you guys, but I'm just blown away with how easy to work with this wig is. I did end up using my Go Glueless lace in place mist and foam gel to secure the unit down, but I do think that if you were to tighten the band in the back that the wig comes with, that you could also wear it completely glueless. I just kind of wanted to try out these new products that I got. If you want a textured unit, but you don't want to have to worry about adding a ton of products to make it work, this wig is so low maintenance, and I just feel like it's super great for beginners. I really love this because I don't wear textured units a lot. I haven't fully mastered how to style a lot of these units, but as you guys can see, I literally didn't do anything. Honestly, had I not tampered with the front and cut baby hairs and did all this other stuff, I could have just left it as it was. It's just like such an easy wig to style, and I'm super in love with the way that it came out. So let's just jump straight into the installation. So that pretty much concludes the video, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Overall, I'm super impressed with this unit. It literally feels like cotton. Like, it's just so soft. Highly recommend everyone having like a low maintenance curly unit in their rotation, because sometimes you just don't have time to do all of the extras and you just want to have, you know, a nice wig that you can spray with water and a little bit of mousse and it's good to go. And that's exactly what this wig is. Thank you again to Asteria Hair for sending me over this absolutely stunning unit, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.